sacred geometry is extremely important when we are talking about understanding our reality, who we are, where we are headed. If you can understand sacred geometry, you have really grasped the keys to the universe. Why? Because ultimately everything is geometric in nature. How do we know this? Okay, we know that sound frequencies can produce geometric patterns in the ether. We also know that sound can produce geometric patterns in water. And the only explanation for this is if this geometry already existed in the universe. We also see Fibonacci sequence, or the golden ratio, all over the universe. Places like leaves, flowers, Mother Nature, in water. In fact, we see Fibonacci sequence, or the spiral shape of Fibonacci sequence, in our own Milky Way galaxy. If you Google the Milky Way galaxy and have a look at the images, you'll see this spiral-like formation. And so it's interesting to think that we are living in a geometric universe which revolves around mathematical equations, a blueprint. This would answer the question as to whether or not there is a designer to the universe. Now, if the universe is all geometry, what does that mean we are? Or what does that make of human beings? Well, what's interesting is our DNA is geometric in nature, and we can again attach Fibonacci sequence, or the golden ratio, to our DNA. And just to go a little bit further than that, I've already mentioned the spiral-like formation we see because of the golden ratio. Well, what shape is our DNA? It's a spiral, right? And so ultimately, we are living in a geometric universe, and we ourselves are geometric in nature, meaning that we are not separate from anything or anyone. And this would answer the question as to, are we one with everything?